I'll win. Not because I'm the smartest, not because I've got all the connection, not because life has handed me the best cards. I will win because I refuse to quit. I will win because I'm willing to get up every single time I fall. I will win because when the pain sets in, I don't run, I ride. While most people are looking for the easy way out, I'm looking for the way forward, no matter how hard it gets. Winning isn't about luck, it's about hunger. It's about hunger. It's about obsession. It's about waking up every day with a fire in your chest and saying, today I fight. Every day you're either preparing to win or preparing to lose. And most people, they prepare to lose without even realizing it. They procrastinate, they make excuses, they wait for motivation to show up. They let comfort dictate their actions. But me, I train my mind. I train my body. I train my spirit. Because I know what's waiting for me on the other side. I know why I started. I know who's counting on me. And I know that if I don't give it everything I've got, then I've already lost. There will be days when nothing goes your way. When nothing goes your way. Days when it feels like you've given everything and gotten nothing back. That's the moment when most people fold. That's the moment when the average stop. But that's where I begin. That's where I dig deeper. That's where I remind myself, I didn't come this far to stop. I didn't sacrifice this much just to settle. I didn't endure all that pain just to quit. I came to win. And that means showing up when I don't feel like it, grinding when no one's watching, believing in myself when no one else does. The world doesn't owe you anything. It doesn't care how hard your past was. It doesn't care how many times you failed. But if you fight, if you scratch, if you claw your way forward, if you push past every wall that tries to hold you back, then the world will make room for you. Then you earn your place. Then you prove to yourself and to everyone else that you were built for this. Not born into it, built for it. There's no such thing as an overnight success. There's no shortcut to greatness. It's a daily grind. It's waking up early, staying up late, sacrificing sleep, comfort, distractions, and excuses. It's saying no to things that don't serve the mission. It's putting in hours that nobody sees, doing work that nobody appreciates because you believe in something bigger. You believe in the result. You believe in the win. And winning doesn't just mean trophies or titles. Winning is about rising from defeat and still pushing forward. It's about turning every failure into a lesson, every setback into fuel, every no into a louder yes. It's about becoming the person who doesn't stop, who doesn't give up, who doesn't need applause or approval. You become the type of person who is unstoppable. You want to know why I will win? Because I burned the bridge to comfort. I buried the idea of quitting. I've removed the word of maybe from my vocabulary. There's only one path for me now, forward. Even if it's hard, even if it's painful, even if it takes everything I've got, I will win because I've chosen to, because my mindset is locked in, my goals are clear, my purpose is unshakable, my actions are consistent. There's a difference between people who want it and people who are willing to go get it. Everyone wants to win, but not everyone is willing to suffer for it. Not everyone is willing to grind through the nights, train through the pain, silence the doubts, and still move forward. But I am. I will outwork you. I will outlast you. I will outperform you. Not because I'm better than you, but because I refuse to be outdone. Discipline is what separates the winners from the wishers. It's not about how you feel. It's about what you do. It's about showing up whether you're tired, sore, scared, or uninspired. It's about keeping your promise to yourself, staying loyal to the grind, honoring the commitment you made long after the mood you made in has faded. That's where the magic happens. That's where greatness is born. You will be tempted to quit. There will be moments when the pain screams louder than your dreams, but in those moments, you must choose to rise. You must choose to keep going, because that's what champions do. Champions don't quit. Champions don't make excuses. Champions find a way, and I am a champion. I will win. You think I'm doing this for fun? You think I'm putting in all this work because I like being tired? No, I'm doing this because I see the future. I see what's possible. I see the life I want. And every drop of sweat, every early morning, every late night, that's the price. And I'm willing to pay it 100 times over, because the win isn't just a dream, it's a decision. The reason you haven't won yet is because you haven't made up your mind. You keep playing in the middle. 1 foot in, 1 foot out. You keep giving effort when it's easy and quitting when it's not. That's not how winners operate. Winners don't need perfect conditions. Winners don't wait for the green light. They go. They grind. They grind when it's hard. They fight when they're tired. They push even when no one believes in them. That's why they win. Every single day is a test. And I've decided to pass everyone. I've decided that I won't back down. I won't slow up. I won't settle. I'm locked in, focused, relentless. And when it's all said and done, they will remember my name. Not because I was lucky, not because it was easy, but because I worked for it. Oh, I bled for it. I earned it. This is the part where most people stop. But I'm not most people. This is the part where I go harder. This is the part where I keep building while others sleep. This is the part where I break through the wall, because I've hit it so many times, I know how to crack it. This is where I take what's mine. I will win, because I'm willing to suffer more, sacrifice more, and stay the course longer than anyone else. I will win, because I've removed doubt, destroyed distractions, and locked in on the mission. There is no failure for me, only feedback, only fuel, only fight. I don't need the perfect plan. I don't need the right time. I just need the will, and I've got that. I've got it in every step I take, every rep I push, every day I rise. So understand this, while you're sleeping, I'm grinding. While you're doubting, I'm deciding. While you're talking, I'm taking action. That's why I will win. I will win. I will win. Not someday, not maybe, but now, today, this moment, I own it. I claim it. I fight for it. I rise for it. And nothing, absolutely nothing will stop me.